guys, today's video is going to be another Poshmark Q&A. Okay, first question is, are we able to sell on Poshmark during unemployment? Does it need to be reported? Okay, so I said in like many previous videos that I don't like giving out like tax information. I'm not like too familiar with how unemployment works. I would assume if you are making any type of income while you're on unemployment that it needs to be reported regardless of how much it is, I think. I'm not sure. That's just what makes sense in my mind. You know, you can't be getting like free money from the government and then making money on the side and not have them know about it, you know? Yeah, I'm not 100% sure on that. Definitely check with probably your local like state unemployment agency to see. But again, in my mind, if you're making any type of income while unemployment, in my mind, it would have to be reported. Like that's the only thing that makes sense to me. But again, check with them because I'm not a professional. I don't know. I could be wrong. Next question. Hi Vanessa, thank you for your videos. I love your honesty. I have a question about the Poshmark affiliate program. Can you tell me more about it? And about the tacos, think about it this way, you're eating for two, so it's okay. So briefly, tacos. I talked about tacos in a previous video and I asked you guys, I said, hey, is it normal that I can eat like 7 or 8 in one sitting? I probably should have specified that I don't eat like big tacos. I eat soft shell tacos and there's only 3 things in them. So it's not like they're huge. They really aren't big at all, and I feel like I should have specified that because a lot of you guys are like, yeah, I can eat like 2 or 3. Like I'm boring, I don't have a lot. And like no sauce to like, you know, because I feel like sauce would make it like, you know, more filling. So just wanted to clear that up. Affiliate program. Okay, so that's something that you can join once you become a Poshmark ambassador. The Poshmark ambassador program, I'll link a video talking all about that, but basically you have to meet you know, certain criteria to become an ambassador, and you have to keep up with that criteria monthly. The affiliate program, like I said, is a program that you can join after you become a Poshmark ambassador, where you are able to do promotions for Poshmark and get paid. Honestly, the affiliate program used to be a lot better. Now they only pay, I think it's just a flat rate of $5 per like post, whatever you do, whether it's on Facebook or Instagram. I don't think they do YouTube sponsorships anymore. I did one for them in the past, but I haven't seen one on my like affiliate list on the app. So yeah, that's something that you can do once you reach that Posh ambassador status. In my opinion, you know, I honestly don't do it unless it's a post that I'm gonna make anyway. I'm not gonna go out of my way because they have like different types of posts that they want you to do, like a Posh Goals post or like, you know, show all your Poshmark packages. If one of the campaigns that they have going on is something that I'm already gonna post anyway, then yes, I'll do it as a campaign because I'll get $5. Well, I'll get $5 in Posh credit. You don't get cash. So yeah, that's kind of the breakdown on that. And again, I don't really feel like it's worth it, for me at least, to like go out of my way and plan a post that they want. Okay, next question. So I sold a pair of jeans that the zipper was broken on and clearly had a picture and said it in the description. The buyer gave me a 3-star review. Is it worth reaching out to Posh or the buyer? Absolutely not. I used to get annoyed when I would get less than 5-star reviews. You did your part. You showed a picture of the broken zipper. You said it in the description. It's not your fault that the buyer didn't read or didn't look at the pictures. So yeah, in my opinion, it's definitely not worth reaching out to the buyer or Poshmark for because like it's not your fault. And if you do reach out to them, first off, Poshmark probably won't do anything and the buyer might not do anything either. So yeah, I think it's just a waste of time. Don't waste your time doing it. Just move on. Know that you did your part, like I said, in showing the flaw, and it was the buyer's fault for not reading it. Next question. Someone is doing a bot on me. You know, we gotta still talk about bots, right? I get so many questions about bots still, and I'm hesitant to answer them because it's hard because I have like half of you guys still asking questions about bots, and the other half are like, I'm tired of this. I don't want to hear any more about bots. So it's like, what do I do? What do I do? I'll answer this question though. Okay, so it says someone is doing a bot on me. Same item being shared over and over again, then spaces, etc. Do I report them? They have 146,000 followers, following 198,000. I have 29,000 followers after years. I did not know about bots until you told us about them. Thank you. So report or not? First thing I want to touch on is the follower count. I think I don't know if it was you that commented on a previous video, but you said that you thought someone was using a bot because they had like a shit ton of followers and they were following a shit ton of people. That doesn't necessarily mean that you're using a bot. I don't think there is a bot that you can use that'll make you gain Poshmark followers. It's so easy to gain followers. All you gotta do is follow people. It's super easy. So that's probably what that person and this person has been doing. So I wouldn't worry about the follower count, but yes, if someone is sharing your item over and over and over again, then it probably is a bot. I mean, it's really up to you whether or not you want to report them. You can. I don't know if Poshmark's going to do anything about it. Like I said, it's really up to you. But yes, it does sound like someone is using a bot to share. Okay, another question about bots. If someone, hold on, is this the same person? It is the same person. If someone is doing a bot on you, do you report them? Same item shared a gazillion times and spaces in between. Amount of their followers and following is insane. So again, following and follower count really don't mean anything. It's super easy to gain followers on Poshmark. I have reported people in the past, absolutely. I'm not gonna lie about that. But I don't anymore. I just block them and move on. I'm just like, you know what? You wanna jeopardize your business? Go for it. People will get caught sooner or later. It really is only a matter of time. I know some people don't believe that. They think that they are high and mighty and, you know, they make Poshmark so much money. Poshmark is never going to suspend my account. You're wrong. You're literally just like a drop in the sea of Poshmark sellers. So, yeah, just the attitude of like, I'm so above Poshmark ever doing anything to me it's ridiculous. So yeah, I don't waste my time reporting them. I just block them and move on. And last question, oh, it's the same person. Do you feel safe at Goodwill these days? Ours in Pooler, Georgia, they are not going according to regulations. So, I do, actually. I've honestly only gone to the thrift stores a few times since this whole shit show has started, or like in the past, we really started going like at the beginning of August. So really only the past month, I've only been a couple times. And I do feel safe because I take precautions. I wear a mask. I stay the hell away from people. You know, I wash my hands. I sanitize my hands. And they are pretty good about following regulations, at least around here. You know, they have like a plastic barrier between the cashier and the customer. The one thing that they're not really good about is mandating masks. And I know that's a whole other issue. You know, some people are like, oh, masks don't work. It's like, okay, you know, because you're a scientist, right? You know, even though they're saying masks do prevent the spread, maybe not 100%, but it can lessen the likelihood of it spreading. So the whole mask debate, I don't know, I'm not gonna get into it. But yeah, that's really the only thing that I don't see them mandating, because you have these people that think that their rights are being infringed upon, and they say, oh, I have a medical condition, and they'll like flat out lie about having a medical condition. And then if somebody says they have a medical condition, technically the store can't really do anything. I know some stores can be like, oh, we have other options, you know, you can shop online or curbside pickup, but you can't really do that with Goodwill. So yeah, that's really the only thing that's not regulated. But again, I just stay the hell away from people. I get in and out. I try not to dilly-dally, and I just do my thing and I'm in and out. So for the most part, yes, I do feel safe. Okay, so that is it for the questions. If you have any others, you can comment down below, send me a DM on Instagram, or tweet me on Twitter. If you're new to Poshmark and you want to sign up, you can use my code. It is KeepinItRad. You get a $10 credit, and I also get a $10 credit, so thank you. But yeah, that's it for this video. Thank you guys so much for watching. I'll talk to you guys in my next video. Bye.